Me and my buddy Ozzy are about to open the 14-foot camera crane jib by ProAim. So let's just open this thing up and see what we get in the box. Oh man, that thing's got some weight to it. Looks like one extension of the 14 foot piece. So that's probably what, about 3 feet right there, 4 feet. Say 3.5 or so. So you're gonna have about four of these pieces like this. Look at that. I'm not sure what that's used for yet, but we will learn in time.
This looks like the hand tilt head top.
Oh yeah, that's definitely your pivot point, your yoke. That is so solid. Check that thing out. That thing is heavy. I'm seriously holding probably about 10 pounds right there, don't you think?
Yeah, it's
about 8 to 10 pounds right there.
It's solid metal.
That is solid metal. That is no joke. Take your pin. This is where the weights go. It goes through there. And then the weights fit on the outside of there, so you can balance your jib like you need to. So whatever weight that is. That is solid. Take this, get your weights on, screw it on, and it's real fast too. Just screw it on, take it off. You need to change weights, just
That's awesome.
flip it right off of there. And you get 2 of these, one for each side. That is awesome. Now this stand right here is much, like Ozzy was saying, is much heavier than a regular speaker stand. This thing's legit. This guy has some weight, but I mean, you can think about it. It's got to have some weight, especially if you're putting weights on the end of things. It's got to have some kind of firmness to it. That's solid, man. All right, so I just pulled this thing out of the plastic. Let's see what this thing is. Oh, look, it's the tools for all the stuff and your various parts for the jib. Check that out. You got several different wrenches here, including what looks like I'm not sure what that is. It looks like a hex wrench of some sort. And then various bolts and whatnot that goes in various places. Who knows? We'll have to put it together and find out. But this is cool. And not only that, but you get this little, oops, sorry about that. Get this little case to put all these tools in. So that's kind of really rad. We've made a mess, but this is the ProAim 14-foot crane jib with the base stand, the tripod base stand. It's very awesome. Looks really cool. Excited to use this. We may show you this in action once we're done. Anyway, that's what we've got here. We'll catch you on the next one.